Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good day. It is January 24th, and today I am here with a forecast video. Today we're going to be talking about severe weather that we have going on in Texas right now, and we're also going to be talking about a pretty major upcoming winter storm that's going to be impacting areas of the Midwest and the Central Plains. And so, yeah, let's get started. So right now, today's day one convective outlook. We have a slight risk in areas in northern Texas and south central Oklahoma. And we have a marginal risk going all the way from western Texas into southern Missouri. And with that, with the severe weather risk for today, we do have a 2% tornado and 15% wind and a 15% hail. So now let's see what's actually going on. So this is the current reflectivity for the southern plains. You can see we have in areas of western Texas, we do have some thunderstorms, and not a whole lot going on in central Texas or where we have our slight risk right now. Mainly just some showers by Dallas and Fort Worth. We do have some activity in this area and in this area in Arkansas. That's what we got. That's what we have going on right now, though. So nothing severe going on right now. We do have that potential still. And now let's move on to our winter storm. We have a lot of winter storm warnings from areas in northern Kansas and then Nebraska into south and central Iowa, northern Missouri, and northern Illinois. And we have winter weather advisories all the way from from the Texas Panhandle into northern Kentucky and south and central Ohio. And also in the west and the southwest, we do have a lot of potential mountain snow upcoming, especially in areas of California in that area. So let's talk about our Midwest major winter storm first. So you can see this is tomorrow morning. This is Monday morning. This is the NAM model, by the way. You can see we have our low coming together in eastern Oklahoma at 998 millibars. And on the north and kind of along to the north of the warm front, some snow in areas of Illinois, some freezing rain also. That's a potential with this storm system is maybe some ice. You can see we have snow and freezing rain in central Illinois, some freezing rain mixing in southern Indiana, and in northern Missouri we have freezing rain and some snow. And we have heavy snow in areas of Kansas and maybe southeastern Nebraska. But the heaviest snow is in western and north central Kansas. And then as we go until a little bit later, this is kind of late morning, around almost to noon, we have pretty heavy snow in areas of northern Kansas, north central Kansas, and then Nebraska, into areas of southwestern Iowa, northern Missouri, and into Illinois. And once again, along that warm front, though, we do have a chance for freezing rain in southern Indiana and southwestern Ohio also, and areas of Illinois, Kansas, and Missouri. Then at 18Z, which is around noon to 2 p.m., depending on what time zone you're in, we have snow still in north central Kansas, moving into areas like Omaha, still not in Des Moines, sorry. But it is in central Illinois now. And still on the warm front, we do have that freezing rain in areas of central Indiana and southern Ohio. And then this is Monday, mid-afternoon, around 3 to 4 p.m. We have our snow in areas in northern Kansas. Still heavy snow, though, in areas of eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, areas like Omaha. Still heavy snow going on at around 3 to 4 p.m. And we still do have that snow, though, coming in areas like Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, where it is cooler. In northern Indiana and central Ohio. And yes, so then we go later. This is now Monday evening. We have our low does weaken a little bit, though, went from 998 to 1,000 millibars. So a little bit more weak. And also in the southwest, we have this, which is going to be bringing a lot of mountain snow, as you guys can see, which we're going to be talking about that at the end of the video. So yeah, this is Monday evening. We have some snow even mixing in areas of the Mid-Atlantic, areas like Washington D.C. That's that's a potential Monday evening, and we have light snow, light to moderate snow in areas of northeastern Colorado, western Nebraska, central Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and by that whole area. But then the heaviest snow is located in eastern Nebraska, Iowa, and northern Illinois. And as we go even later, this is now Tuesday at 3Z, so late Monday night. Our low is at 1,002 millibars, and it did actually move southeast a little bit, and it did get it did get larger. We can see we still have those lingering snow showers in areas of northeastern Colorado, western Nebraska, and northwestern Kansas. But the heaviest snow is still in Iowa, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and even moving into Michigan. And we do still have that snow mixing in the Mid-Atlantic. And then this is very early Tuesday morning. We see we still have that snow in northern Illinois, Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and Michigan also. And we still have that heavy mountain snow going on in the southwest. And then this is now Tuesday. This is now Tuesday morning. Still early Tuesday morning though. We still have that snow in areas of northern Missouri, eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois. And the heaviest snow now is moving into Michigan. And then during the day Tuesday, we do have the chance of snow in the northeast. Not very large accumulations though in the northeast with this. But maybe some locally heavy snow in the northeast. And start looking at total accumulating snowfall. This is Tuesday. This is our for the central U.S. This is our total snowfall of the storm system. We can see 1 foot plus amounts in areas of northern Kansas, into Omaha, and into central Iowa. Now, some of these numbers could be overdone, but this is going to be a fairly large or a very large storm system for this area, and pretty heavy snow. So we can also take a look at different models. So, for example, we can look at the GFS real quick. So GFS is saying we're going to have pretty much the same areas getting the most snow, kind of a more vivid cutoff line though, and a little bit more snow around the Omaha area. Omaha getting around 20 inches, which is very high for Omaha. And we take a look at the European. Let's see what that has. Sorry, it took forever. The European though is going a little bit more, or it has a lot less snow actually, with only around 1 foot in areas in north central Kansas into almost the Omaha area. So there is still a little bit of uncertainty with the storm system, but it looks like the heaviest snow is most likely going to happen. Not like that, sorry. It's most likely going to happen in this area. So from north central Kansas into areas in Nebraska and into Iowa. Then also another area we were going to be looking at is the Midwest, which this is. You can see areas in northern Illinois getting around 5 to 8 inches, which is pretty good for northern Illinois. Southern Wisconsin also getting around a half foot. So some pretty high snowfall amounts here. And even areas in Michigan getting 4 to 5 inches. And we can go ahead and look at different models here. We're going to look at the European, which, like I said, was a little bit less with snowfall accumulations over here. But it does have a lot more snow in areas in northern Illinois, with areas getting more than a foot of snow. In areas of southern Wisconsin getting more than a foot of snow also, with the highest amounts being around 16 to 18 inches, which is very high for northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. Not unheard of, though. And we look at the GFS, which is another model we can look at, of course. You can still see we do have those 1 foot amounts also in this area, with a lot more snow in Michigan, also 6 to 8, maybe even 9 inches. So a little bit of uncertainty with the storm system, but as of right now, we do know the heaviest snow will be in a band from north central Kansas into Nebraska, into Iowa, and into northern Illinois, and potentially even into Michigan. And we can also go ahead and look at the Northeast real quick for the storm system. We're just going to look at the GFS for the Northeast. Sorry, this is taking a second. So we can see for the Northeast with the GFS, we have a pretty good amount of snow. Let's see this real quick. So this is Tuesday evening in the Northeast, and we still have our snow ongoing. We have our 1010 millibar low located in western New York, and we have some light to moderate, maybe locally heavy snowfall in areas of New York, northern New Jersey, and northeastern PA. And so yeah, this could bring some a couple inches, maybe several inches of snow to some areas. And we can actually look at that real quick. Let's look. We're going to use the Kuchera ratio. And yeah, so we can see several inches in this area. Not several, but a couple to maybe 4. And we continue going throughout the storm. We can go to 12Z Wednesday morning. It's around 7 a.m. We can see we have a good 5 inches of snow in areas in New York, western Massachusetts, and western New York even picking up some decent amounts of snowfall. So that's what the Northeast could be looking at with this. Now let's sort of look at what our next big storm system is going to be. So you can see during the day, during Monday morning and throughout the whole day Monday, we're going to have a lot of heavy snowfall in areas of Arizona, the higher elevations of Arizona, New Mexico, Nevada, California, areas of Oregon and southern Utah also. And then that storm system will move into the plains, not do much in the plains, maybe bring some light snow showers areas of the central U.S. Then as it moves closer into the east and the south in that area, you can see this is Wednesday afternoon. We have a 1009 millibar low coming together in western North Carolina. It's not very organized right now. We do have some moderate rain across areas of the southeast, and snow is located pretty far north. But we can see we go later. We go to 00Z. You can see we have the 540 line, which is the average freezing line in the atmosphere, cutting all the way into northwest Georgia. And some snow mixing in all the way as far south, maybe as southern Tennessee and in the Nashville area, maybe some snow mixing in. And this is around 6 to 7 p.m. And we have decent snow in northern Kentucky, eastern Indiana, pretty much a good amount of Indiana, and southern Ohio. And of course, we do have snow in the higher elevations, though, also. And as this moves east, this rapidly strengthens. And we can see this is really early Thursday morning, the 28th. We have heavy snow in the mountains and in western Virginia, and we still have some snow showers in the Northeast. And also, we do have another storm system hitting the west with more very heavy snow in the mountains of California and northern California, also in Oregon. And yes, we can see the storm system strengthens very quickly. At 00Z Thursday, it's 1005 millibars. 00Z on Friday the 29th. So technically, this is Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Let's zoom out to the eastern. Yes, we can see the whole storm system. It's at 958 millibars. Now that is a very big pressure drop. So in 24 hours, this drops around almost 50 millibars. So that's a very, very big pressure drop. So yeah, that'll be our next storm system. Now, snowfall accumulations with that are very uncertain at this time. You can see we're gonna let's use the we're gonna use the 10-1 because this is on tropical tidbits. You can see where the heaviest snow actually happens is a little bit consistent, sort of northern Virginia, that area. But the latest modern one that has changed to West Virginia and western Virginia. And yeah, we can see that. We also look at different models like the Canadian. And the Canadian, I don't really like to use a whole lot, but we can see it does have more heavy snow making it down into central Virginia. But I will have another update on that storm system tomorrow. Yeah, to wrap up this video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow, but yes.